I say something Nature Boyz like.
Something like, what? You ended that sentence. Was there more? He's like, say something about Nature Boyz. Something like.
No, Nature Boyz like.
Nature Boyz like?
Nature Boyz like what?
Nature Boyz like. I don't know what's going on.
If anyone has anything funny to say it now, before I take my pants off.
This is a notorious hobbit hole. While naturally timid, you won't see the hobbit come out. But I know he's in there, and I have something for him.
Return to Suck Creek, Nature Boyz, baby.
Suck.
Unusable.
Graphic content. I'm sorry. This is the infamous women. When you enter this tape.
Today we're heading to Pigeon Mountain.
What's it called?
Pigeon Mountain.
Oh, they got birds there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Heading into the jungle. It's gonna be a long journey. This is a point in the episode where we remind you not to be a dumbass.
Nature Boy style. Nature Boy style. Woo! Nature Boys. My God, what a crack! Catch us on the CW Mondays at 9 o'clock. I think Fox. Catch us on Fox Mondays, 9 o'clock.
Down there. You just make a run for it. You just make a big long run.
Big long run.
Man, it'd probably be a big long fall, but I'm so hot, I think that's something I'm willing to try.
Yeah?
If you want it. CBD. What does CBD stand for, Aaron?
It stands for blowing out my.
No, totally. I probably shouldn't. No.
We should have started with maybe smaller.
Not wet sticks.
No, what is this doing in here? No. Get that out of here.
What you gonna do?
What you gonna do?
Nature Boyz coming for you. Do you hear that? It's nothing.
There she was.